Hi everybody, it is Sunday and I'm kicking off outfit of the day. So what am I doing today? What am I up to and what am I wearing? So I did not go to the gym this morning. I decided to take a rest day. I'll go Monday through Wednesday this week and take off Thursday because it's an event that I do not want to do on Thursday. So I kind of rescheduled my whole thing to avoid that event. So this morning I took a leisurely morning, stayed in bed, changed my sheets, did things around the house. And I filmed my front door fashion, which took me over 2 hours to film. So it takes me a while to try on the clothes, use the suggestions the stylist gave me, mix and match with items in my closet. And what I thought I was going to keep ended up being the exact opposite of what I kept in the end. So I surprised myself because she suggested some items in there that I did not think to put together. And once I put them together, I really like the look. So what am I up to now? It's like 11:30. I'm going to take my sheets out of the dryer and then I'm going to head off and return that front door fashion. It is via FedEx, so that's kind of a nuisance. You have to wait for the FedEx to deliver. You typically have to sign for it because it is thousands of dollars worth of clothes, and then you have to either drop it off at a FedEx drop-off point or have FedEx come to your house to pick it up. So I drop it off at a Walgreens on the other side of town. And then after that, I'm headed in the opposite direction. I'm going to go to Sephora because I need a new mascara. And then I'm going to go to Loft because I have Loft cash. And today is like the last day I'm going to be able to spend it. So I'm going to look to see in Loft if there's anything that I would like to purchase. And that is what I'm up to today. So what am I wearing? Today I'm wearing this jacket by Steve Madden, BB Dakota. And I just stuck my hand in my pocket. And I got something in this pocket that I have no idea what it is. So I'll be surprised when I pull it out. I'm wearing with it this red turtleneck sweater from White House Black Market, a pair of skinny chocolate brown coated denim, also from White House Black Market, and my red Vince Camuto booties that I got at Trunk Club a few years ago. I love these booties, but I think sadly these might be my last year wearing them, or I might take them to the shoe repair to see if they can clean them up a bit. And this is what I'm wearing today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Monday and what am I up to today? I took today off. Originally we were going to have friends visit us this past weekend, but unfortunately my one friend got into an accident and she is currently in rehab now. So if everyone gave positive thoughts to her as she's recovering, and hopefully we'll be able to see them soon. So I kept today off, which is actually a good thing I did because then my daughter surprised us on Friday night to come visit. So we're going to be bringing her back to the bus stop today, probably in about an hour or so. We have a bus stop to the city right by our house, but it is a pain in the butt going down the highway and stopping every light. So we bring her up to a bus stop closest to the actual highway that brings you into the city. And then from there, she takes another bus to go to her school. So, she's gonna leave here at like 11 in the morning and she probably won't be at her dorm room until 6 o'clock at night. So it's like a full day of traveling for her. So other than that, I don't have any plans today. Might go to Marshall's, poke around in there. And what am I wearing for today? Well, I finally decided, fall broke out here, by the way. It was cold this morning when I went to the gym. Because I had off, I went to a 7:30 class, which is like the perfect time for me. Woke up at my own leisure, got dressed, went to the gym, got that workout done, did 2.7 miles, loved today's workout. And what am I wearing today? It's cold. Like I said, I had to put on my little sweat jacket to go to the gym. It was like in the 40s when I went there this morning. Brr! And my husband refuses to turn on the heat until the high is 40. So we're gonna be here in our 20s chattering away because he does not want to turn on the heat in the house. I'm wearing this burnt orange sweater that I got from a Stitch Fix. I just pushed up the sleeves a little bit. I got this 2 years ago, I think. It's that Mia back detailed sweater that pretty much everybody has. I like this sweater. I like the fine gauge on it. I like that it's soft. And I'm wearing it with my crazy Liverpool pants that I purchased from Nordstrom. I think I originally saw these, Laura from Little Box of Happy got them in a Wantable and I wanted them. And I didn't want to order a Wantable box risking not getting them. So I paired it with my black chunky loafers, and this is my outfit for today with no specific plans. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everyone, it is 7:30 in the morning on a Tuesday and I'm back to work. My alarm went off at 4:15 and I am not used to that. You're like, Carolyn, you always get up at this time. And I'm like, yeah, but after that long weekend, I like to sleep in a little bit. You know, if it were up to me and I didn't have to work, I'd be going to the gym at 7:30. 5 a.m. is only because I have to work. So what am I wearing today? What am I up to? So back to the office, back upstairs in my office versus down here in the dining room, thank goodness. And I am wearing this outfit, which I've worn before. Underneath, I have a White House black market fitted button-down top from a couple years ago. Paired with it, I have this taupe colored vest, sweater vest from Astor to Label. Both of these, obviously, White House black market, I purchased on my own. The sweater vest I purchased, I believe, on my own through Nordstrom. It's in this nice taupey color. And then I paired with it, I have this faux leather blazer from Macy's, obviously also purchased on my own. And I have on a denim skirt from circa 2018. Actually, it's 5 years old. In March, it will be 5 years old. That I got either from Banana Republic or Banana Republic Factory. It's a light wash, button fly. Yeah, like this skirt. And I have paired my over-the-knee taupe boots. And this is my outfit for today. You might have seen this one before from last year, but I do love it, so I wanted to wear it again today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Wednesday, hump day, and what am I wearing for today? Well, I went to the gym, came home, showered, and here I am working from home again. I am wearing this Stitch Fix blouse. I believe, who is this by? Is it by Lush? I don't remember who it's by. It's not one of their in-house name brands, I don't think. But it's, I think I mentioned before, I'm not fond of mustard, but when it's in low doses like this and it's a print blouse that's a more delicate print, I can tolerate it because it's mixed with white. And as you can see, I paired it with a brown jacket. And I also have on my straight leg Cosmic Blue Love jeans that I got from a Stitch Fix. And my shoes are a Slide by Chinese Laundry or Mule that I got from Nordstrom Direct. And this is my outfit today. Oh, and the jacket, the brown jacket, is from White House Black Market. One thing too I forgot to show you is the details of this blouse. So I'm wearing a jacket today for two reasons. One, because I'm always cold. And two, this blouse is completely open in the back, and as you can see, I wear a cami underneath it. So if I were to go in the office, this is not an office appropriate blouse at all. All right, take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everyone, welcome to Thursday and another outfit of the day for me. So, as many of you know, I work from home, and these clothes that I wear would not be ones that I wear to the office. I wear these because nobody sees me. I rarely go on even video camera, so I like to dress up like there's a party going on. So I'm wearing this statement White House Black Market blouse. I even got on my little rhinestone here, a little necklace, and the big dangly rhinestone earrings. And I'm just wearing it with a pair of jeans. These, they're Boom Boom jeans. I got them from a Stitch Fix. They're pretty inexpensive, but they have the railroad striping that I think is fun, and the patch pockets here in the front. I am wearing a cami underneath this top. It is a little bit see-through. Plus, because of the statement sleeves, I can't wear a jacket over this. So I wanted to be a little extra warm. I think if I were to wear this out, I wouldn't be wearing the cami underneath because it looks a little bit weird. You know, it shows through here in the V-neck. So this is definitely a top that you shouldn't wear a cami with and just wear nude undergarments. Oh, and I decided to put on a pair of red boots with this. Give it a little pop of color, a little bit of fun, and yeah, this is my party outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Friday, so naturally I'm in a good mood today. So what am I up to today? So went to the gym, came home, took care of the bunny, showered, went to my nutritionist, ate my breakfast, here I am. What am I doing today? Working from home as usual. But tonight we're having a gym get together and I'm going with my husband to a local distillery. I don't drink, that's great. He drinks, but I'll be driving him home. And what else? That's it. So I'm kind of actually happy that I actually have nothing planned for today or weekend that is going to cause me to indulge on eating, because I have not been doing very well in following my macros. My daughter was home last weekend. We ate out every day. I mean, I tried to stay and be reasonable. Like we went to Cheesecake Factory one day. I had a Skinnylicious burger. You know, I fit things in, but when you eat out, there's always that hidden calorie and hidden fat in the food that you just don't know about. So, I tracked as best as I can, but it is what it is. So I'm very relieved that this weekend, hopefully I should be on track, and there's no crumble cookies that I desire this week. So I am wearing this coated denim jacket that I got from the Stitch Fix, I think last year. It's by Prosperity. Underneath, I have this Michael Stars top that I got from my last Trendsend. Super soft. It's made from modal and spandex. Now, typically, I don't want a plain modal t-shirt for a lot of money, but I really like this one and the print in it. Obviously, you'll see I like these kind of abstract things. And with it, I paired my new White House Black Market jeans and my new Vince Camuto boots that I've also got from Stitch Fix. And this is my outfit for today. I do have a small shopping haul for you this weekend to show you, but I'll have to admit, I'm starting to slow down here. There's not much more that I need, and I just really can't justify any more purchases. So you might only be seeing outfits of the day for me for the next couple weeks until I guess I got that desire to shop again. I actually let Loft Cash expire. I have a $15 rewards at EverEve, which I'm not even sure I'm going to spend it on. I keep looking daily, and there's just nothing that's saying buy me. So, yeah, that's it. And that's what I'm up to today. And take care, and see you tomorrow for another day's style. Hi, everybody. It is Saturday. Got up, went to the gym, went food shopping. Pepper's currently in the oven, and I'll be going out to the diner with my husband in just a few minutes. So what am I wearing today? Other than the diner, I'm also planning a Target and Home Goods run. So today I am wearing an oldie. This is probably pre-late weight loss, and I had the top altered, and it was one of the few items I ever had altered, which I kept because I don't believe in alterations. It never comes looking out like it should. Maybe if you are lucky enough to have a skilled seamstress, tailor, etc. But anytime I've gotten things tailored, I'm just not happy with the results, so I don't do it anymore. This top I was actually kind of pleased with. It's a White House Black Market. You can see my bra because I was kind of lazy today. Top that I like because it's not floral, it's not animal print, and yes, geometric might not be the most on trend, but I like it, and it's something different, and I keep it because I like this top and this outfit. So the sweater is just like this light beige color. It does have fringe here down here at the bottom. I am wearing them with my Lola jeans that I got in my first front door fashion. I think these are a fun jean with the stripe down here on the side. And I have to say, I really like these jeans, the way they fit me. Highly recommend this brand, and I would be very interested in getting another pair of Lola jeans from them, or another item from Lola, because I really enjoy these. And I paired them with my little tan Western-inspired Vince Camuto shoes. You notice my socks sticking out here, so I need to fix that. The jeans are a tad bit long for me, but I just turned them under, and yeah, they work. They don't unroll, and they're like a straight leg. And this is my outfit for today. Take care, and see you tomorrow. Or actually, you won't see me tomorrow. Tomorrow starts off a new week of styling. All right, take care, and see you next week. Give me a thumbs up, click that notification bell, and take care. Bye-bye.